Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Welcome back to online class. Last week, in the last class, we have to discuss about the Earth lesson from class 3. Half part we have to complete it. So, what completed in the last class? How is the shape of the Earth? So, how to the sun's rays are fall down on that? Where the sun's rays are fall down, that area is daytime. Where the sun's rays are not fall down, so that area is night time. So, and also we discussed about the unique features of the earth. These are all we discussed in the last class. Today we are going to discuss about what are the movements of the earth. What are the movements and what is rotation and what is revolution. These are we are going to discuss now. So movements. The earth is not stationary. It is not constant. It is moving. So it moves in two ways. In two ways it's moving. On its own axis it has to moving. Its own orbit. So around the sun. దాని కక్షలో అది తిరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. So like this, these movements are called rotation and revolution. So these movements cause days and nights. So whenever these movements comes, like rotation and revolution, these movements come, automatically days and nights are going on. And also there is change in seasons on the earth. These are some movements. Now we are going to discuss about what is rotation. So rotation means earth spins on its axis and completes one rotation in 24 hours. How much time it will take? It will take one rotation on its axis. It will take 24 hours means 1 day. Then next one, as it spins, one half of the earth faces the sun and hence gets its light and experiences days. On that time in the spinning way, half of the part earth is faces to the sun. That part will get light from the sun. That is called daytime. The other half away from the sun. Which part of the away from the sun? It experiences night time. It is the night time. As the earth spins continuously, the earth is spinning continuously, the change from day to night goes on. Whenever so night goes after daytime come. So day go after night time come. The earth spins from west to east. The earth is always spins from west to east. And therefore the sun rises in the east. The sun sets in the west. సూర్యుడు తూర్పు దిక్కున ఉదయిస్తాడు and పడమర అస్తమిస్తాడు. How to spins? I will show the picture. This is see like this. So the sun is from west to east. It is spinning like this. Now we are going to discuss about the revolution. So besides rotating on its axis, the earth also revolves around the sun. So like this, rotating on its axis, it was rotating. The earth also revolves around the sun. It moves along a fixed path around the sun. A fixed path go the movements around the sun. This fixed path is called the orbit. This fixed path is called the orbit. The Earth's orbit is elliptical in shape, like egg in the middle of the pot. How like it is, no? Like this. So the orbit is elliptical in shape. The Earth takes 365 1/4 days to complete one revolution. That means 1 year it will take. It will go complete around the earth. The movement. The earth's movement around the sun is one of the causes of the change in seasons. So seasons also changing. It is also one of the cause in this movement. So once again I am repeating. Besides rotating on its axis, the earth also revolves around the sun. So it moves along a fixed path. There is a one fixed path is there. It moves always around the sun. This fixed path is called the orbit. దాని కక్షలో అది తిరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. The Earth's orbit is elliptical in shape. The Earth takes 1 year. It will take 1 year to complete one revolution. The Earth's movement around the sun is one of the causes of the change in seasons. So seasons are changing. It is one of the causes Earth's movement. So this is the complete of the lesson from class 3. I hope you understand. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.